Hey guys, this is a 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. It's got the black calipers. It is a rebuilt title, did have some front end damage. All been fixed up. White seats. So hardware 3. See, there's the Plaid. Suspension. So about 299 miles. It's about 92% charged, so should get about 328 would be my guess. It has gone through the high voltage test, so will supercharge. Even being a rebuilt title, heated, cooled seats. Battery health says healthy. So full self drive would be 99 bucks a month. All your different subscriptions you can get. So it does have a heated yoke. All your different fun things you can do with the Tesla. Cameras. Carbon fiber here. Does have a little nick in the seat there. Looks like a couple little imperfections. Turn on your fan here. Watch YouTube, play games, turn on your heated seats. Floor mats. Charging cords are sold separate, but are available. Sweet 2022 Model S Plaid, rebuilt title, high voltage test done, hardware 3. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.